Alright guys, got a build. I don't even know what this is called. Just got it Toys R Us 0231. Little polybag from Galaxy Squad. Shablam! Looks like you get some flying dude, and you get a minifig. So, one thing I will say about polybags, I don't really consider them good unless they come with a minifig. Or something iconic, like the Batmobile. I got laying over there. The Batmobile polybag. That was pretty good. If you get a licensed theme polybag with a good minifig, that's your best case scenario. Alright, let's build it. So I'm building now the flying Stinger. When I do the review, I'll figure out the exact name of this polybag. But at this point, I'm just trying to get it built. The Stinger wasp type thing is not that impressive, even for a little build. It's okay, I guess. It's okay. What do you guys think of Galaxy Squad? It's kind of like that theme. You know, every year there tends to be a theme that is not licensed, that Lego puts out, that kind of sticks around for a year and then it's done. And some people believe that Galaxy Squad was supposed to have like its own TV show or something bigger, and it fell through. There's rumors that that was the case because we weren't expecting a second wave of it, but we did get one. As you saw our Toy Fair footage, and that really surprised me because I thought it was one of those one and done waves. Kind of like Dinos was, kind of like, what am I doing wrong here? Nothing. I've got it right. It's correct. Kind of like Dino was. I think Space Police, did that just have one wave? I can't even remember. Dino. There's others. I'm just not thinking of them right now. There was one in 2011. I'm just drawing a blank. Maybe Kingdoms? Yeah, Kingdoms only had one. Kingdoms only had one, other than the Kingdoms Joust. I think that was only one wave. I think Space Police was, but I don't remember. World Racers. That's it. World Racers. So I thought it was a theme like that. You know, one wave and we're going to be done. And next year there'll be another one. But then we got the second wave coming out in the summer. And actually the stuff looks really cool. I think a lot of I wasn't that excited about Galaxy Squad. And there's some stuff that's okay. But they've done a really good job on the buildings. Not necessarily this polybag. But I think they did some really good work on the design of some of those, which maybe that is what merited the second wave. Maybe sales are good, and so I said, hey, let's do another wave. I'll tell you what I do like. I like the minifigs. The printing, look at that. The printing on these Galaxy Squad minifigs. Aliens Conquest, that was the one. We had one wave and that was it. So I thought it was like that. I'm starting to remember now. I've reviewed so many sets, I can't even remember everything that I've done. All right, so that's it. The little Stinger, and you get the great looking minifig. I actually really liked the Alien Conquest minifigs, so much so that I bought a bunch on clearance. They're like $7. You get like 5 minifigs. And it was sometime last year. And I like bought 4 of them because of these guys. So this was Aliens Conquest, the ADU, and then now I look at it, it's 2 side by side, Aliens Conquest, Galaxy Squad. The helmets are the exact same printing, and the printing was really good on Aliens Conquest, just as they are with Galaxy Squad. So a lot of similarities. It would be cool to have a brick film where these guys fight. But we're not going to do it. So that's why I bought a bunch of these. Maybe that'll happen here, but there's no, so far there's no, the sidekick heads on Galaxy Squad is very cool. Tell me if you guys agree. The sidekick heads are very cool. The minifigures in general in Galaxy Squad I actually really like. Quite a bit. It's just, you know, there's a lot of good stuff out there. All right. So that concludes our building of 30231, the unnamed Galaxy Squad Polybag. And reviews coming soon. Now you can watch me walk to the camera.